Hello, I'm going to show you how to enable FSR3 and frame generation in Bodycam. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's increase your FPS. First, open Bodycam and go to the Settings menu, then select Graphics. Alright, scroll down until you find AMD FSR3 and AMD FSR3 frame generation. Enable AMD FSR3 first, then turn on AMD FSR3 frame generation. Bodycam supports both of these options directly inside the graphics settings. Now, choose your FSR quality mode. If you want the best balance between image quality and performance, use Balanced. If your PC is struggling to maintain smooth FPS, switch to Performance for a bigger boost. After enabling frame generation, restart the game if needed and test your FPS in a match. Keep in mind that frame generation works best when your base FPS is already stable, because extremely low FPS can cause visual issues. And that's how you enable FSR3 and frame generation in Bodycam.